along with me, Srinivas and Pranit. They are my project mates. And the one right now you're talking about a DV data visualization project, which you have done as part of CBA group project. Basically, this project deals with the sector and stock analysis of National Stock Exchange. We'll start with introduction first, then we'll go over with the strategy, data overview, summary of audience, and finally a conclusion. Okay, starting with the introduction, our visualizations will intended to describe the trends in different sectors and stocks, also performance of different sectors and stocks, and top 5 performance. The intent audience we have identified here is a normal user who want to invest his money by observing the trends, by getting information from the visualizations we have provided, and also a market broker list who wants to understand the performance of a particular stock by understanding the fluctuations in the market. As part of strategy, we have identified few requirements, like where we need to get the data and what data we need to get to understand, to give the answers to the queries raised by the user. Also, what visualizations we need to make to give an answer to the answers raised by the queries raised by the. We have collected data from the National Data Stock Exchange and Moneycon.com. They are free and open source, and anybody get the data from them. And we have collected a measure of seven major stocks, and each sector contains 10 to 14 major stocks. As part of data visualization, we have prepared two dashboards, and we can see that here. Here we could see the different sector information in the parity bubble chart, which are used here, and we could observe that the software industry is performing good compared with other sectors. And in the bottom line, we could see the top 5 stocks within that particular sector. Suppose if you want to check for a computer software, you can click on that, and below you can see that there are top 5 sector within the top 5 stocks within that sector. And we could see that Emphasis is doing good with the daily stock return value of 47,811 when compared with others. On the right hand side, we could observe that the growth and volume share of all the strikes, and if you click on Emphasis, and we could see that the growth rate started from 0% in 2011, and it went to 76.36% for Emphasis during the period of 2014. After that, we could observe that a downtrend stream, and values got reduced. So, but if you consider the volume of trading done, in 2011, it recorded a highest value of 1.8 billion, and after that there are some fluctuations in between, and later on at the end of 2014 it recorded a decrease in values. Now we are moving to the dashboard 2. Here actual prediction has done in this graphs. We have used a R prediction and also a tabular prediction. Suppose if you want to select a particular suppose Infosys, and we could see that the green line is the prediction done by the W, and there are some fluctuations, and they recorded up to 2004 there are fluctuations. After that it recorded a decrease in value. Later than it went on increasing, and the stock returns were performing good. And we could see that our predictions also joining the trend line, which means that the stock is performing good. On the right hand side, we could see an action item which is given for that calculate the trend value. Suppose if we calculate the bank, click on the Bank of Maharashtra, we could see that in animation the values here, and initially it goes on increasing for a period of time till 2012 mid. After that there is an increase, and we could observe that the values are increasing again in 2013. So we could observe the trend here. Again it came to a downstream and recorded a low values in 2014. And again after 2014 we could see that it performed a little bit good. Then in 2015 we could see that again it's performing good. After that, there are some fluctuations, and there is a final value. So we could see that this value is constant at a particular value. And thanks for time. Yeah, thanks. In conclusion, we can say that the user and stock broker are benefited.